how to make $70 per day online on Clickbank. These are the things that I will cover in this video. In step 1, I will show you how you can select your niche. In step 2, I will show you how to set up your funnel. In step 3, I will show you my unique traffic generation strategy. And in step 4, you will start making money. Before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have mentioned the link in the description box. You can start your journey from today. So let's start it with the today's video and visit our first step, that is niche selection. Let's move to a platform that is known as Clickbank. Clickbank.com. Create your account if you do not have already. So just click on create account. It will hardly take you a few minutes. So once you've created your account, move to the affiliate marketplace. There are different types of categories out there and you can just look at each category, but for the purpose of this video, I am recommending you to work on either business investing, e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, parenting and families, or self-help. These are very popular niches and there are a lot of audience who are looking for different products in those niches. If I just click on health and fitness niche, these are the products that are included in health and fitness niche. You can sort these products using different parameters. I recommend you to sort it with the gravity. Gravity is the number which tells us that how popular that particular product is. So if this product has a gravity of 431, it means that over 430 affiliates are making money after selling these products, and this product also offers you an average affiliate commission of $34. For the purpose of this strategy, I recommend you to choose a product that has a gravity of at least 50 and that offers you an average affiliate commission of $35. So for reaching $70 per day mark, you only need to sell 2 products in order to reach that goal. Now you have finished up with your first step, that is niche selection. Now let's move to our next step, that is funnel setup. For funnel setup, move to the Google Docs, click on blank. It is a free platform you can use. All you need is to have a Gmail account and you can access this portal. Now you have opened up your Google Docs platform, and now let's move to the Clickbank. Just visit product page that meet your criteria, like $50 at least gravity, and that offers you $35 affiliate commission. So let's suppose if this is the product that have met your criteria, so just open up that landing page. So just look at the landing page. The landing page should be attractive and it catches the attention of your audience. There are few catchy lines should be on the landing page. This landing page is not looking ideal to me. So I just close that landing page and open up the next landing page. So this landing page is looking better to me. So what I can do, I will just open up click on a print screen button and take the snapshot of that image that looks attractive to me. So just take a snapshot, save it on your desktop, click on that Google Docs, insert, upload from computer, click on that image. That image has been added to the Google Docs. So just move to that platform again, click on that promote button. From here you can take your affiliate link. If you have already logged into your account, you will see your nickname here. Just click on generate hop links. Take your hop link, move to a platform that is known as bit.ly. In order to shorten up that link, because the link you have taken is looking very ugly, and in order to make it more beautiful, just visit this platform bit.ly, paste your link, shorten, take that link, and now move to that page, click on that image and add that link into that image. So if anyone click on that image, they will then move to that landing page and add few lines, catchy lines. So you have also added that link into that text section. So your landing page has been completed. And now let's move to our next step, that is traffic generation strategy. For the purpose of this video, I'm using a platform that is known as SlideShare. Just open up that slideshare.net, and if you wanted to check that site stats, move to a site that is known as similarweb.com. Paste that slideshare.net. I have already opened up that slideshare.net into the SimilarWeb. So just look at the stats. This website has a global rank of 335, and just look at the traffic stats. It is getting 140 million visitors per month. So that's massive number of traffic that this website is getting on a monthly basis. So you can imagine the potential here. SlideShare is actually a slide sharing platform, and all you need is to share your slides on slideshare.net. And if anyone searches on SlideShare or even on the Google, because SlideShare presentation rank really well on the Google. So once you create a slide into the slideshare.net, there is a chance that you will get two-way traffic from the SlideShare itself and from the Google. So all you need to just create a simple slide shares on PowerPoint, or you can also use different softwares out there. I just recommend you to use PowerPoint. Everyone has a MS Office in your laptop, so just open up your PowerPoint and create a simple slide shares. So after finishing up your slide shares, just upload that presentation into the slideshare.net. I have just opened up example here, like manifestation medical review. So this is another Clickbank product. Someone has uploaded this presentation into the slideshare.net, and you can see that this slide has this presentation has received over 550 views. So just create 5 to 10 slides and just compile those slides into the one presentation and upload that presentation into the slideshare.net. Just create your account for clicking on the sign up button. It's free, and you can just get free content over the internet. Just mix those contents and create simple slides on the PowerPoint. If you do not know how to create presentation on the PowerPoint, you can search it on the youtube.com, because if I just show you in this video, then this video will get too long. So in order for you, I recommend you to just visit youtube.com and Google to search for things how to create slides on slideshare.net. In order to really work or really utilize this strategy, I recommend you to work on long tail keywords, because Google will index those slides. Based on those keywords, your slides would get ranked on the Google. So let's suppose if you are written a review on your selected product from the Clickbank. Let's suppose your product is flat belly fix. So just write a review on flat belly fix review 2019. So if anyone searches this term on Google like flat belly fix 2019 review, so there is a chance that your slides or your presentation will come first on the Google or on the first page, and you will drive traffic from the Google. So just create a title related to your keyword like flat belly fix review 2019, and add this similar keyword into your presentation 3 to 4 times. So your slides or your presentation will be fully optimized, and once you have fully optimized your presentation, there is a chance that your presentation will get rank or will get good rank on the Google. So just make sure that you cannot rely on one presentation. You need to create presentation on a regular basis in order to work or in order to make this strategy work. Just work on or create presentations on a regular basis, create your account, upload those presentation into your account, and work on long tail keywords. So you will instantly start seeing views on your presentations. And if you have added your link or added your actionable links into your slides, So definitely people will click on those links, and once they click on these links, they will move on your landing page, and from that landing page they will click on that link and they will move to your product landing page. You can also directly link to your product landing page. It is up to you whether you want to send your visitors from the presentations to your Google Docs, or you want to send people from the presentation directly to your product landing page. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.